Once you're ready, go. Okay. Pila to? 40, ipisil. Pila? 40, 47 na?
Pero nga po, di mong hawid sa ako ang baga, uy.
Nahibi, wag ko. So you can see, guys. Chris Malin is keep carrying me for 1 minute.
Okay. Boo.
Nahiwi, wag ko. Pila naman, Sil? Ang tao ba, Sil?
4:51, 45.
Atras lang. I'm falling down, guys. Alright.
Lingkod lang, Sin.
Good, okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, as you can see, guys, I'm assisting Jasil. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. Iko. Marag patay. Ay, hawid dira. Pabitay lang, pabitay. Oh. It's like this, guys. I'm carrying some girl for 1 minute. What's the time? Maybe 50 and 30 seconds. That's 51 and 30 seconds. Ayusin. My body is not. Okay, once ready, go. So we're starting 51 and 25. We're going to 52 and 21. 52 and 25. So this type of carry, guys, is just like carrying some person is trapped in the car, or you cannot walk, just like this. You can carry some patient or some rescue person in the building, or just like you're going to get her to the hospital. It's like this, but the person is alive in my back. I need to kill it. All right, 52 and 25. Let's go, guys. Wala pa. 23, 24. Okay. Oh. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. All right. Atras. Atras. Okay, as you can see, guys, Chris Marlin is carrying Jazel at the top. All right, we are going to end for 55 and 20 seconds. Girl should lift boy. Yeah, after this, she will carry me. Atras. Makita ang giaswat nimo. See, guys, we have a lot of quacknit in here. So 55 and 20 seconds. We are 55 and 56 seconds. 54 and 59. Okay, 20 seconds more. And then next, I'm going to shoulder ride. Chris Marlin will shoulder ride me. Let's go. Whoa. I'm going to do it in parts, guys. 19, 20. Okay. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Fireman. Only fireman. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Go. Atras. See that, guys? Lalab dyan. Carry me. Ayun, ayog lingkod.
Yes, I am.
Ready? Atras. As you can see, guys, Chris Marin is surely riding me. We will count how many seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Until she will put me down. Yeah, no counting until she put me down. Let's go, guys. My voice is nearly fading. All right, you can hear our voice, guys. This is my spatter here, Jazzle the Barbarian King.
Laban na.
Okay, ano si? Ay, dali. Ito.
Ano, Ruby?
Ito. Using the roulette anymore. Just like that, all right. For how many seconds? Atras mo sa'yo, dali sa'yo. No. Let's try how many seconds. All right. Ako na po sunod. 1, 2, 3, go. Atras pa, atras. Oh.
Okay.